Yeah, hi. So in today's session, we'll go through the GitHub repo. All the code that we are going to do in this course will be available in this repo. Okay. So this is the repo link. Let me just click on the repo. So it took us to the code part. Okay. Now to clone this, you have to run this command. Okay. Copy this and open ID of your choice. Okay. Open the folder where you want to clone the repo. So git clone, paste the https link given here, web URL. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so now it's cloned. Let me open that folder. Okay, so let us create virtual environment here. So you see here on the left side the virtual environment is created. Okay, so you can expand it, go to scripts. You will see files to activate the environment. So activate.bat you use when you select cmd terminal here. Okay, but for PowerShell you can use .ps1 file. Okay, so copy path, paste it here. This will activate the environment. Okay, let us also create a requirement file to keep track of the Python packages we are going to install. Okay, now let us see a working implementation of speech to text. So let us go to Copilot. So you see a microphone button here. Just you need to click on the microphone button. Okay, so let's go to Copilot now. You see microphone button here. Talk to Copilot.
Hey
Hi,
again.
how are you?
Okay, talk to you later.
What's the weather today?
Today in Gwalior, the weather is expected to be around 30 degrees Celsius with a low of 17 degrees. Perfect for a day out or just chilling at home.
What's your name?
I'm Copilot, your AI companion built by Microsoft.
Now you see how quickly it processed the data as a speech which I gave you. So very good performance I would say. Okay, and very accurate. Okay, now before beginning our coding, let us ask Copilot to give a simple file for speech to text. And it may not give on the first try, but okay, you can try 2 3 times. So you see the code here, speech to recognition. Okay, so this is inside browse, built inside browser itself. Okay, so let me copy this and save it to a file. Okay, so this is the file. Let us run this now. Okay, Let us try this. Allow while visiting the site. Okay. Hi, my name is Abhishek. Okay. So Copilot will give you some code. You can save it, open it. Let's try it out now. Hello, 1 2 3. Hello, 1 2 3 4. Great. So it is giving something. Okay. Now uh, we will try to build it. The issue with this code is this is free and it has limited time to keep functional. So if you keep on trying, it will start throwing error. Okay. So we will try to build this kind of application ourselves. Okay. I have earlier showed you the offline and online models are there. Okay, so these are the online models, some of the online models, and these are some of the offline models. So we will try with WASC first. There is no particular reason we can try with any model, but I'm going to go ahead with WASC because I have tried it. Okay, so before we start coding, there is one important thing. We need human speech audio files on which we are going to test the accuracy of our code, okay, of our model. So if you search human speech audio file, lot of repositories are going to come up. Okay, so lot of repositories are there with the files. But sometimes in your company network you might not have access to clone all these repos. Okay, so Kaggle, General Kaggle has a good file. I tried with few of the files like test.wave or sample.wave files, which have simple 1 2 3 4, and offline models were able to convert it same as online model. But if you go to this file, offline model keeps failing on this. Okay, so as a benchmark, we will, or base case you can say, we will use this file. Okay, one simple 1 2 3 4 file that offline model also do, and one this harvard.wave file. Okay, and it is in Kaggle, so maybe you will have access, or you can use any other file. Okay, so let's download this file now. So I have downloaded the file, so I will keep it inside an input folder. Okay, let's call it data. Let us clone or download some more files. Okay, so I'm going to use this repo. I'm going to download this, save it in that folder. Okay, so I have downloaded and copied this into this folder data and this folder. Okay, let us go through this. Okay, let us go to test audio folder. Okay, so these are 8,000, 16,000 are frame rates. Okay, so it is important because if there is a mismatch in frame rate, you are not going to get output. Okay, okay, and this mostly I think is defined by the setting of the of your microphone. Okay, this 8,000, 16,000 is the frame rate. Okay, let me just show you also on Windows. So go to your volume sections, maybe right click and sound settings. Okay, so let us go to one of our microphones. Okay, so you see here, okay, 48,000. Okay, comes here. So like that, 96,000, like this, 48,000. These are the frame rate for audios, microphone settings, you can say. Okay, in Windows. Okay, so moving ahead with Vosk. Okay, so if you search Vosk, you will see Vosk site. Let us open this. Okay, here let us go to installation and usage. So you find instructions for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Okay, so pip3 install Vosk. We've installed pip3, and if you go down, so you find all the steps to install. Okay, you can go through it. Now this is the usage example, but we need the actual code so that we can integrate in our application. Okay, so we are going to clone this repo. Okay, so I am going to paste all the necessary URLs, like this is one URL into this readme file, so you can find the links here. Okay, now let us pip install the Vosk package. So make sure that your environment is activated. Now let us do pip install Vosk. Let me add this on the kernel file also. Okay, great. And make sure that you clone in a separate repo. Okay, because in the same repo where you have cloned my current project, same one more clone is not going to happen there. So make sure you create a separate folder and do git clone there. Okay, okay. Now let's